Hey guys, alright, this is my August 2018 Darn Good Yarn subscription. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Oh, I think I might have some more of this. Oh, I hope. This is really pretty. Alright, what do we have here? It's a sport weight silk yarn, Caribbean Current. It's a number 2, so it's fine, number 2. 200 yards, that's good. 50-gram ball. Needle information. I'll hold this up really close so you can see. Oh, that is beautiful. That is going to make something very, very pretty. Let's see what they made. Well, you have, ooh, I was not expecting that. I thought they were plain buttons. Those are really cute. Yes, and they're used in the project. Okay, here's the crochet one. And the beads. And the needle knit. Wait, no, I said that backwards, didn't I? Sorry. Needle knit one. And here's the crochet one. That is really cool. Okay. Alright, guys. Short and sweet, I guess. That's really all I have for this unboxing. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. Make sure your notifications are turned on so that whenever I have new videos come out, you will receive an email to notify you. I hope everybody has a wonderful day.